Gangnam Style. You what I love. Okay, put your hands up, buddy.
Please, put your hands up.
Okay, you ready for the real hip-hop beatboxer? What's the wrong now? I'm a beat now. What you want now? What you want now? Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Stop, fast, stop, fast.
When the beat's gonna trip, drop it like a star, drop it like a star, drop it like a star. When the beat's trying to get it, you drop it like a star, drop it like a star. Yo, darling, it's your birthday. You're gonna party like it's your birthday. You're gonna do party like it's your birthday. You're gonna have fun 'cause it's your birthday. Hold up, hey, come over me, do it, we stop, we don't play. We go rock to the red fall out. Hold up, hey, come over me, do it, super take a say. Hope you ready for the next episode, hey.
Shut.
Let's go!
Feeling like a brain, feeling like I gotta away, but the moon, I don't want to stop, it's no gonna win every day. No! See the little one pop me, just know that you will flop me, and I know I'm gonna be a little cocky. No! You end up with stop. Every time I come in, I gotta sit in, and I gotta good, and I gotta get it, and I gotta blood, and I gotta start routine, and I'm doing this, but I gotta then I'm gonna everything and anything, I'm gonna boom, what I think I do, the things to make it rope, but I gotta swear, I gotta get it again, I get it again.
Put your hands out.
Don't for what?
I want to dance.
It's the animal.